So we had the CB1 mounted on the wall here, and I had drilled out the holes for 3mm screws, these here, and used metal screws, and there was something going on with it. It wasn't connecting and nothing was working, so I took that off the wall and it fortunately worked. So if you're thinking about doing that, don't do that. And now it's working. I've got it put right here. It's not mounted because there's no mounting points, but it's kind of nice to have it not mounted. I can take it out, insert the SD card, take out the SD card. There's a bit of airflow that comes over it. Doesn't need a whole lot because it's got a big heat sink. But I'll install the acrylic lid now. So I reinstalled the acrylic lid. Looks really nice, and more importantly, it works.